Hello guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. So back in April, I think, I told you guys that my son and daughter-in-law were purchasing a house. And they're the same ones that had the baby, so there was a lot going on during that time. Well, they have purchased the home, they're in it now, but there was a lot that was happening around that time. They were closing. In fact, he signed papers the very day that he wheeled his wife and son out of the hospital. They went from the hospital to the closing, and then we brought her to my house for the day because we had so much that we needed to do to the house. It was pretty dirty. There was some things that needed repair, so we worked our little magic, and you're about to see in this video like some befores and afters and a tour of the home. I just wanted to share with you guys because I thought the home was kind of cool. There's a prow in the front for huge windows to look at the mountain. And I'm rambling, but needless to say, the footage was a little chaotic because the time was very chaotic. You know, trying to move in, clean, paint, move furniture, and they wanted in that very same night. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. As you can see, the kitchen was quite dirty. You'll see in the after photos later on in the video, but we were very pleased with the results. There you go.
The screw was sticking up.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Oh. Well,
I don't know if you got
it didn't happen because I didn't get it on camera, Dad.
Oh. The screw was
Okay.
like that.
Oh, wow. What a handyman. This is why you're here. What would we be doing right now if you weren't here?
Crying.
Crying.
I do not understand this closet. The shelves were open at the back, but we have since fixed this closet and I will be sure to add it to a future decorating video. We have not decorated their house yet. We just didn't want to overwhelm them at this time. And while we're on the subject of things I do not understand, why is there carpet on the bathtub surround? That's going to be another future project. am prepping the baby room for some paint. This is the only room that we painted. The whole house actually needs to have a fresh coat of paint, but there was just not enough time on this day. I am using shiitake from Sherwin-Williams. It's a nice neutral color that we thought would go really good with the woodland theme. So stay tuned for the after footage because we show you the baby room all decorated. We actually have a video on that, so I'll be sure to link that in the description box for you in case you missed it. I ended up shampooing the baby room and guest room 3 different times in different directions just to be sure that it was really clean. When I first started in this pantry, it was in really rough shape. I wiped everything down and it has since had 2 coats of primer, and I am fixing to put on my 3rd coat, and I will probably have to do like a 4th coat because as you can see there's still quite a few little spots where they kind of dribbled paint on the wall, and that's taking a lot to get rid of. So we're gonna start on number 3 and see where that goes. Here I'm using a wet washcloth to clean out all the dust and dirt from the crevices. I find this works the best to get it really clean, and then I'll follow up with the vacuum cleaner. While I was working in the bedrooms and pantry, Shelby was on cupboard cleaning / kitchen cleaning duty. She used Pine Sol to wipe everything down and then followed up with like Scott's Liquid Gold to polish the cabinets. I think they turned out really nice. And we even vacuumed the tops of all the cabinets. Here you're going to see all of the afters of our hard work. I added a couple clips at the end that I shared on Instagram, so be sure to follow us over there too. I was really pleased with the way that the pantry turned out. It's still not 100% complete. As you can see, there's still some fixing that needs to happen, but it is so much better. Here in the guest room, my son ended up ripping out that paneling that was in there. It was on 2 of the walls, and now that it's gone, it makes the space seem so much bigger and brighter. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video, and thanks for hanging out with me as we went through my son and daughter-in-law's new house. I know they will be making great memories here with their new baby. And please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I hope to bring you future videos from there as we start the decorating process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!